Go the wrong. You have to use 2 hands and twist.
Like
Yeah.
this.
Yep. That's it. Woohoo.
Hello.
Yummy. I
It's
think
so
you're
good.
ready to work at the carnival. Buddy, you want some? Nice job.
Can I have some more?
Mm-hmm.
Yay.
Want to try something else?
Yeah, let's do something.
Well, oh my goodness, you should see your teeth.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Ah, yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah. It's wet. Making me fall.
How's it going? Whoa.
Spider web. Spider
What if I take glue?
Yeah. Well, this will tell me.
Like my tongue.
Oh,
Yeah.
there's like.
Yeah.
Okay, turn it off. Oh, hi. Whoa.
I got it.
Oh my gosh, there is cotton candy floating around.